MTD Network this week. Well, it's been a bit quiet for a few weeks because we were at MACH. It was absolutely crazy there, and hopefully you saw us at the show. Now, getting back into the swing of things. First of all, you might think, have I shrunk? No, we've got a bigger TV. Moving on quickly. You know what I'm going to say? Red, request a quote if you need any parts manufactured. Blue, join the network if you want to access those quotes. What's been going on? Well, first of all, PowerKut. They've joined MTD Network. Experts in grinding. We're looking forward to going visiting them and videoing. They've got a state-of-the-art studio there. Also, Medley Precision. Looking forward to videoing there because they've just joined MTD Network. They've got a load of machines, including a load of MACH, so looking forward to that. Also, Ondrives. They've recently joined us. It's a bit of a theme here, isn't there? Again, experts in gear cutting this time, so looking forward to doing some videos there. And also Albert from Acrona has joined MTD Network, and guess what, we're going to go out and do some videos there, so looking forward to that. Now, talking of videos, Medley Precision, we did a walkthrough of their machine shop. Some great machines, Herco, Mazak, and a load of MACH, to name but a few of the machines, so watch that video, it's really, really good. Ferrositi, they've got a bit of capacity on their Mazak machine, and BTEC, they've got a bit of capacity on their DMG Moray 60 Evo linear, get that right. It's a great 5-axis machine and some great components coming off of that. Also, our friend from 3D Print and Scan, Reese, has been busy. He's been printing some electronic enclosures, and a separate article, he's also been printing some micro SD cards. So have a look at those. That's it for this week, nice and brief, we'll crack on with it. You know what I'm going to say, red to request a quote, blue to join the network, and we'll see you soon.